Hello and welcome to today's free trading video and market analysis. I'm your host, Kenny, Senior Research Analyst with the MiniAnalyst.com. First thing we're looking at here is a chart of... Actually, we're just going to go ahead and take a look at the disc peg right here. Had a trade right here, had a long setup. Didn't quite make our profit target. Actually, weren't quite on the ball there, but came back down, stopped at break even. So that trade was a scratch. It was just some wild moves we've been having this morning in the market. We'll take a look at why that's been the case in a second. But as you can see, just extreme and tradable moves. Went ahead and took this fake out to the downside, and so there you see up 750 for one and a tie. Up 750 for the 10, the Dispatch 10 trades the 10 lot. As you can see, that was the finish yesterday, 23.75. I believe it was just one trade yesterday. 23.75 was a beautiful winner yesterday. Actually left some money on the table there, but definitely happy to book the $2,375 in profits. And let's gonna go ahead and look at the market itself right here. Taking a look at the market here, we're looking at the intraday right there, and as you can see, we're actually pretty fortunate to book our little scalp trade, a little bit of scalp trade, but as you can see, getting these wild moves. What's interesting is we're going to go ahead and close that. Not sure why we're looking at that. But what's interesting is we had this hold of the late session low yesterday and bounced right up into our trend. But what's interesting is we had some strong positive divergences suggesting the market would go higher. Unfortunately, it just really hasn't stuck. As you can see, we've slid back down to the bearish, so we have red bars below the trend, bearish, 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 and just a small divergence there. So definitely the bears have taken supremacy. We did have some early session divergences, but just really couldn't get above this trend. This, of course, is the E-mini S&P 500 futures. 892.20 is the trend right now. We're at 887, 888, we'll call it. But as you can see, just jumping out of the quick scalp right there was certainly a wise decision. And the bears definitely do. There we go again. Definitely do control the market environment. We're trying to break below the low of the prior session. So that's where we are right now. The bears continue to control the market. We could get a little surge back up to around 92 to 94, but definitely the bears are in control, save this singular divergence right here. But as you can see, quadruple threat, quintet threat actually, one could argue, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, states of bearishness. We're going to go ahead and switch over to the daily. Right, there we go. We can get it together right there. And as you can see, the we had questioned whether or not this 50% level of bearishness in terms of trend following support resistance was going to hold around the 950 level. Had a couple of question marks there. It certainly has held, and suggest why it is the mother of all key trend following support resistance measures, and it actually is challenging our official bullishness, which we reclaimed at the level of 800. So sitting on about a 91-point gain right now in terms of discretionary measures, but definitely getting challenged is our key official bias of bullishness right now. So if we do get a continuation move back below here, we may look to switch back to neutral and go ahead and book some profits on that move. Did we expect to get above there? One could argue, sure, but did we? No. So we do remain officially bullish on the market around 890. That's what we'll call it, but have moved to short-term bearish in terms of directional movement and to short-term bearish in terms of momentum. Should we get some continued follow-through, we'll definitely switch back to bearish, actually, on the market. So that's where we stand. How have our systems been doing? Wow, look at that. 622, another, this is for the dual day trader ES, puts up another $1,125 gain yesterday. Today is Tuesday, the 23rd. An amazing $1,125 gain was for the dual day trader the ES. Very powerful system. This actually has just really come on strong lately. Relative outperformance, and has actually If we can switch over to, there it is right there, $1,125 gain for the dual day trader ES. And this was Monday. And if we can look over just the last 20 days, as of the 22nd of June, you can see that the dual day trader ES has actually outperformed the venerable and often leading MAPDT. The MAPDT coming in with a paltry 102% gain, obviously being flippant there. Very impressive gain was for the MAPDT over the last 20 days of triple-digit gains in terms of percentage. Dual day trader ES, however, outperforming at 111.25%, gaining 22.5% yesterday. Now, if you're interested in subscribing to this portfolio, you may do so by just going to the website, and it should be right around here probably. Dual day trader ES, right there on the home page, and you can click, go ahead and click that and add it to the cart, add it to your cart. Well, there we go. We have 4 of them. So 4 of them, we could just update that and get rid of that one. So we have 4. We'll recalculate that. $2,000. Enter promo code VIDEODT, and you will save $500. Now, you can run these concurrently or consecutively. You can have this be 4 quarters of a subscription. In other words, an entire year of the dual day trader ES portfolio for just $1,500, or you can run all 4 on a $20,000 account. $5,000 per unit do we recommend. The margin is actually about $1,000, but we recommend you start with $5,000. So you can run all 4. You can run a $20,000 account with just $1,500 for the dual day trader ES. If you're interested in the MAPDT, also a 100% winner just over the last 20 days, you can go to the website and find the MAPDT, which that's just a DTS coming up. I think we actually have a DTS special coming on. You guys can write in for the DTS special. How about that? Just write in to admin@MiniAnalyst.com or go to the website, chat with the support team live, and inquire about the current special we have going on the MAPDTS. Any version, 2.0, 3.0, 4.0, or 5.0 MAPDTS versions are available and on special. I believe this special rate of $1,500 for 3 months, 3-month subscription, you can actually save, oh, you don't have to write in, it's right there. Enter promo code VIDEODTS and save an extra $500, so $1,000 for a MAPDTS. An amazing special for such an outperforming portfolio. There's the MAPDTS version 3.0. As you can see, that goes through May, just really outperforming. Only a 64% maximum drawdown, average risk of just 14.4% right there, as you can see, and a return of 854% over just 17 months. Very impressive portfolio, and you can save an amazing amount of money. These specials certainly will not last. There's the dispatch yesterday. So if we missed anything, there's the 20-day performances, the MAPDT and dual day trader ES just wildly outperforming. There's the dual day trader ES's performance over the last 20 days. And if you guys have any questions, shoot us an email or hold on one second. All right, just wanted to pull this up for you guys. This is our MFX Lite portfolio. This is actually today. I think yesterday it was down $100 or a couple $100 or something like that. Then just coming to the office today, bam, $4,000 gain for the MAFX Lite was the case at 9:30 Eastern Time this morning. Just an astounding 40% gain in a day. You can have that portfolio for $1,500, just $1,500 for 3 months. It's a $10,000 account. So just wanted to show you that. If you guys have any questions, write to us or shoot us an email. Write to us at admin@MiniAnalyst.com or chat with the support team live at the website. We will see you next time.